salad dressing series. You try saying that quickly. And in this here video, we're going to be doing Caesar dressing. If you want to see the other recipes, make sure you click that eye. Okie dokie, this time hokey dokey. So keen, Kate. It's the turn of the Caesar dressing. Caesar salad, come on, gotta be one of the best up there. And it's so easy to make yourself. So we're gonna start off with our base, which is just 5 tablespoons of good quality mayonnaise. To that, we're going to add 1 crushed clove of garlic, 2 anchovy fillets. Now I know that not everyone's a fan of anchovies, but that is part and parcel, the secret ingredient of a decent Caesar dressing. We're then going to go in with 1 tablespoon of white wine vinegar. That's going to also help to loosen it down. Now, I have my Caesar dressing quite thick. If you need to loosen it down any further, I suggest you just add a bit of water, but that's going to do for now. So we're just going to mix those ingredients well together. Make sure you break up those anchovies. You've got there a nice smooth dressing. And then to that, we're going to add in some seasoning. Now we're going to do that in 2 forms. We're going to go salt and pepper, and we're also going to go in with some cheese, because a good bit of Parmesan makes a big difference. So we're just going to go in with a nice generous grating. Now you obviously can put this over your nice shavings over your Caesar as well, but I like to incorporate it through the dressing too. I'm just going to go in there with about 20 grams will be enough for now. We can always add more later. I'm going to add a tiny bit of salt because that Parmesan's nice and salty, as are the anchovies. With a nice generous grating of pepper. And there you have it, your simple, delicious Caesar salad dressing. Taste test. Oh my God, that's really nice. Oh, we want a Caesar salad now. Guys, please give this a go. That is absolutely delicious. And you can see exactly what's gone into it as well. I hope you like this recipe. If you want to see more from me, make sure you subscribe. I'm here every single Tuesday. Check out my new website, Katie.Pix.com. I'm spitting everywhere because that's really tasty. You can sign up to a newsletter for a competition every single month. Oh, too much information. Sorry guys, until next time. Bye. That is amazing.